But one thing is sure, a time will come when you all will look for Gentle Deah Yahoo, when you all will look for Biafra Liberation Defense Force, you people may not find us again.
Lendara Kahao Leon Fare today 15 August 226 Yatago Leko Nizare Dara
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Today being 15th day of August 2026, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this breaking news to you. The commander of the Biafran Liberation Army, Commander Gentle Deah Yahoo, sent this message to all the Biafrans. First of all, he is telling Biafrans to believe in them, that they are not into KP, they are not doing any kidnapping, and they are not doing any armed robbery, against all the propaganda being ushered against them, that they are innocent. And he also said that if people did not believe them, that one day people will wake up to see that Biafran Liberation Army is no longer existing, or that he, Gentle Deah Yahoo, has dropped this particular thing. Maybe, I don't know, maybe go on break, or maybe I don't just really know what he mean by saying that one day you wake up and you will no longer see them. So guys, he also sent a warning to the Okigwe people, telling them that this army barracks that they want to bring down to Okigwe, that they are the one that is going to suffer it. He sent it a very clear warning to them. Listen to Gentle Deah Yahoo. Today being 15th of August 2026, Gentle Deah Yahoo made this video.
Yeah, my wonderful people of Biafra, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, wherever that you are hearing me from. I still remain at your humble servant, Ifan Chukwoko Entaze, aka Gentle Deah Yahoo. I am bringing this information to your notice for you to understand how things is moving in Biafra land these days. I am still insisting that we are not a terrorist and we can never be a terrorist in our mother's land. We are only protecting the mother's land. We are only protecting. We are only standing firmly, gallantly, to make sure that Fulani herders didn't enter into our mother's land. Now, I want to make this information clearly to our people, for them to understand the kind of evil agenda that these people has towards Igbos. Please and please, I am pleading for all Igbos to understand this. You should stop listening to all this evil that are deceiving you by telling you that Gentle and his men is kidnapper, is armed robber, is this, is that. Another reason why I'm telling you people this, we are not a kidnapper, we are not armed robbers. We are only protecting the motherland. We are only standing on the gap. We are only protecting Fulani herders not to enter into our land. And it can never be easier for them. Now, they have planned on a way that they will use the Fulani in uniform to invade Biafra land in the first place before their herders will now come in. I just want to make this clear to our people, for them to understand, for each and every one of you to understand this. Igbos, we need to wake up. I am telling you people this because a time will come when you people may not hear from me again. Yes. I put it to you all in this way, that a time will come when you people may not hear from me again, because I have been crying quite a long time, telling you people, for you people to understand the agenda of these people. Look at what is happening in Enugu, Ezike, right away. Look at what is happening in the north now. How the Fulani has been invading all the whole communities. This is all they have been planning, so that it will escalate in a way that everyone will be confused. They have been using our own people, which they have been bought and adopted. They have been using them against us. I know the reason why I am telling Biafrans this. If you want to hear, you hear. If you don't want to hear, you leave it. But one thing is sure, a time will come when you all will look for Gentle Deah Yahoo, when you all will look for Biafra Liberation Defense Force, you people may not find us again. There is no problem. Keep it on. Keep it on. Be planning against your own brothers. Be your brother's keeper. Stop fighting your brother. We are not fighting our own. Stop fighting your brother. We are to protect life and properties, not to destroy, not to bring disaster to our land. We are not a terrorist and we can never be a terrorist. All these people are the ones creating havoc, causing problems in our land. Now, Okigwe has been calm. Okigwe has been calm for a quite long time now. But now they want to bring Fulani herders, Fulani invaders in uniform. The news have escalated. Now the indigenes, the citizens is running away from their various villages. Now in Okigwe, make your findings. Confirm what I'm saying, what I'm talking about. Okigwe citizens are now running away because of a news that they had, which the information got to my table, and that is why I am bringing it up. I know the reason why I am bringing this matter up, because this situation is going straight, because I know that this my voice must get to Nkechi Mbono. It must go directly to Ndobeze, the Senator Ndobeze, and it must go directly to the House of Assembly of Okigwe, Chaidon, the one we know presently now. Let it get to you people. You see all these things that you people are moving around, making a meeting with the Fulani Caliphate, accepting their offers in Okigwe to establish the military checkpoints in Okigwe. I am assuring you people, when all these things that you people are calling on is, when it starts happening, let nobody mention my name. Nobody should mention my name. Nobody should call my name. Nobody should call my name, because it has been getting a year and now there is nothing like violence in Okigwe. Now, you people are accepting the Fulani in uniform to come and destroy our hometown. Now, people are running away. Since over a year and now, people relax on in their various houses without no disturbance, without no distraction, without no running away. Now the people have gotten information that your military, your Fulani Caliphate, your Fulani uniform wants to come and invade our homes. Now people are running away. Not when all these things that you people are looking for. By the time you people we start seeing it, no one should mention my name. No one should mention my name. I've been saying this thing time without number, and you people don't want to listen. We can never run for war, and we can never plead for anything, not any reason. We can never plead for any reason. The reason why I'm saying this now is for the world, the international communities to hear my voice and hear how it goes. These people are now threatening our people, and our people have been running away from the villages. Let the international community hear my voice. Let them hear my voice. Our villagers are running away because they only heard that military is coming to invade Okigwe. They are running away. Later on, now they will turn against me. They will turn it. They will turn it to my head, and they will be mentioning my name. That Gentle is doing this. Gentle is doing that. That is why I said I must to bring this information to the notice of Biafrans and the notice of the international communities and to the notice of the world leaders, for them to hear my voice these days, because I may not come up again to speak again. But you see all this problem that these people are causing in our land because of their Islamic agenda. It can never work in Biafra land. We must fight to the last. We must fight. We must fight with the last tip of our blood. We can never give up. Rather, we will lower to the grave. I am saying this clearly for our people to hear it. And I myself, Gentle, with my master, the Triple General, Igwe Butozo, we can never betray Biafra. No, it can never happen. We can never betray Biafra. We can never collect money to sell Biafra land, to sell our birthright, to sell Nnamdi Kanu, to sell Simon Ekpan. We can never betray the land. This may be the last that the world may hear my voice. But when this incident will occur, when all these things that these people have been causing in this land will occur, nobody should mention my name. Thank you, and God bless all of you.
So Biafrans, the Biafran Liberation Army and also is still battling with the Niger fighter jet and the Bubagu team. Now you can see in this video as they showed the fighter jet that came to battle them, and the men on ground, they are very tight, you know, they are tight and they know they run. Just watch the video and see how it is going.
Lendara ka le fare today 15 August 2026 yatago le ko le zare diara apu ugwa sa ga eji fare wa chụwa ndị Boko Haram ụra nwa ụmụchukwu ka ha na-achụ are ala ebie na aka ebie na ala na owe ha ọma na we be Liberation Army na owe ha ọma they only ezugharị ebe ahụ ezuzugharị that place dara no Biafra, no peace. Akela Ota, now we Liberation Army. Oh no!
My brothers and sisters, Odumeje is saying something that is very, very beautiful. In this video, for this our brother who reposted it, is there any international airport in Anibo? No. In Biafra land? No. Any international seaport? No. All these things are what Mazen Nnamdi Kanu said. If the government of Nigeria is going to do that to Biafra land, that he, Nnamdi Kanu, will drop Biafra. But they refuse to do it because they know exactly what they are doing against Igbo people.
It's an insult and a disgrace that as big as Southeast is, there is no single embassy in the Southeast. And our lawmakers are not saying anything.
Do we have international airport? Igbo people must talk about this. If you are a governor, a senator in Igbo land, you are not talking about this. That is people that are sell out. No seaport. You go to Lagos, there's a seaport everywhere. No international airport in Igbo land. Go to Lagos, go to Abuja. That is where every elite on Igbo people traveling to go to access London, Nigerian London. That is a slap to every Igbo man, the giant of the whole world. We make name the whole world. Without Igbo people, there is nothing.
Have you now seen it? Odumeje is the only person crying. Odumeje is the only man in Igbo land talking. The rest are sellouts. The rest has collected money. As big as Southeast, there is no embassy. If Igbo man wants to do something, is either he go to Lagos or he go to Abuja. No single embassy in the Southeast. And somebody come out to tell me that Igbos are not being marginalized. And somebody is telling me what are the Igbos are facing in Nigeria. Somebody is telling me that I should tell him what Igbos are passing through in Nigeria that other tribes are not passing. Every tribe in Nigeria has embassy. But Igbo does not have any embassy. I don't think Igbo have immigration office itself. I don't think there is any immigration in Igbo land. I don't even think. I've not seen it. They have not directed me to any immigration office in Igbo land. There is no single embassy. And our Southeast governors are comfortable. Shouting Tinubu 27, Tinubu, shouting for APC. We'll give Tinubu 500 billion votes. But what matters, they are not doing anything about it. None of them are looking at what the Igbos are going through. It don't concern them. Now Tinubu the day after to prove to the Tinubu say they are faithful, they are loyal. They are not talking about it. Odumeje will talk. These people will not do anything. This is exactly what Mazen Namdekano saw. He started talking. After he talked, nothing is working. He started to start calling for no. They got angry. Proscribe IPOB. Jail. Today now, how far? What have they done? Even seaport that Mazen Namdekano proposed, and international airport he proposed, they swept it under the carpets. Do you understand under the Siam? Southeast leaders and Southeast governors are the problem we have currently. They are the ones setting us back, but nobody they see them. Peace and love.
Our brother here is sending this message to Udene based on all the things that Udene is saying, you know, working against his brothers. Listen to our brother in this video to hear what he said.
This guy no na ijele chukwuka of 18. First of all, ndị Igbo ka ngwu n'okwu, you guys should stop calling this guy Ijele. Maka ife Ijele mean Ijele nnekwu mmọnwụ pụta obodo agbaba ọsọ otu ikpu a na-eti. You guys should call this guy Udele, not Ijele. What is Ijele? Imagine okay, actually get kogene nke iji bulu obu mmadu kogene. They go to know if na go IB self now one I don't even know. You what go? Guy, as you rugged, others rugged one. What even neku? I say as you rugged, others rugged. So they well. We know you now. We don't say you they work with Nigerian government and all that. We know that now. Now we know. We know everything. So guy, pack well. Pack well. And young Baba, we see you now. Each your platform encourage no people who against Nnamdi Kanu alone. You have not brought, people that will still speak in his favor to balance the equation. That shows you are accomplice. All the same poll. You get me? All the same poll. I know IPOB can go again. Are them indifferent about the whole thing, right? But Obulu Facebook Kanu has done nothing wrong, man. Right? He made a good plan to protect Alaibo. After everything, the plan changed into something else. Cause of who? Cause of Nigeria bad government. What is all this? We all felt the heat one day. So you don't blame Kanu. You blame the people that after everything changed the whole plans one day. What is all this? Udele. They were also the Koyenkanya. I think they were your own empty threats. They well. If Obiname was called Uncle IB, you must be held for. What if the very important guy? I never to say the truth. When you do good, I will praise you, Ijele. When you do bad, I go finish you. At this point, you not do well at all. In fact, there was never a time you did well one day. If you know, you didn't condi or nothing more, your own tribe. Okay, man, Ibabulutagi, Jibugwausa. What if I forget about why I piage 10? What if guys, what do you think? I rest my case.
The Enugu forest guards, they are indeed active. They are working. To God be the glory. Oh yes, Igbo are formidable. Ndi Igbo siri ike. All just that now. Sometimes, ananuso nwayogo. Be drama. Just look at the way the forest guards of Enugu State rescue these victims from Fulani herdsmen.
Madam, you go to bear house, madam. Okay, thank you. Honorable. Okay, from which village in Ibago? I'm from Akpedem. Wow. Thank you, welcome. So, Nico, now, the village in Ibago.
Village in Ibago. Yes, I'm on Ibago. I'm watching you do. Okay. I'm Frederick Modogu. So, I should go. So, route Oh, my routine. I am on the kidnapper, the flying 5 people. So, oh, when you move there, I trust them. I'm more as you talk now about it. And channel yet the truck. One of them worker, Tabataza. So, a woman made an arrest in Tigbe, 47. Made an attack. So, in the process, baby. I am working for nothing. And had their food. So I am banquet. So okay, I have a head picture. I have a bush. I meet on your car. Meet madam and one.
7 persons.
Now, but the books are you for my wife. My wife. So she's a man. She's around. She's a man. What I use was the security for the school side. Like you, Bob.
Yeah, I made it like in when you to the time.
Oh, maybe 5 o'clock. Yes. Oh, maybe 5 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank God for your response. It's not hard over again.
I'm a good child.
Thank you.
So, Biafrans, yes, Odumeje celebrated his birthday. It was indeed a very good thing that he went to orphanage. He celebrated the birthday there in the orphanage. Yes, so thank you, Prophet Dr. Chukwuemeka Odumeje.
The Lion himself. We are here to celebrate his birthday. Yes. Happy birthday, the Lion himself. Happy birthday, Ndaboski Bahosi. The wicked maker. The Abido Shaker. We are here to celebrate his birthday 2026. He said that his birthday 2026 shall be charity upon charity, charity upon charity. This is the Lion himself. 2026 birthday celebration. We are live in Onitsha City. Yes, we are live in Onitsha City. The Lion is here to celebrate his birthday with the less privileges. The Ndaboski Bahose 2026 birthday celebration. Yes, filled with charity upon charity. The Lion is here. The Lion is here. Happy birthday, Ndaboski Bahose. Happy birthday, the wicked maker. Happy birthday, the great prophet of our time. Yeah. We are here for the next birthday. Celebration of the Lion itself. You get that? From here we are heading to prison to visit the inmates. 2026 birthday celebration this year. The Lamb is there.
mmadụ ribere ote ndị na-enweghị ike ọrara anyị wee na-ekwubi okwu na-asị kilotara anyị n'ụbọchị taa anyị bụ ndị na-enweghị ike ọrara anyị site site mmanụ Chineke ka anyị irigide na-arụ gị n'aha Jizọs. Nas no gadoro no ma. Usai ya na bali. Ani kunu ribere to ko. Ai sto iti mama chike na ganiru na runu na ha Jesus. I wish no more collection. Outside country collection. Double blessings. Success in business. Double good na ha Jesus. Divine collection. Divine collection. Double good. Na Jesus Christ bone one. Go back now. God bless the shift. Go back. Go back. Let everybody go back. Just put a line. I have put a line. I am on there. Everybody put a line. Go back. Go back. I need to go back. Go back.
To celebrate my birthday with the rest privilege. Anywhere you are, God will bless you for joining me to celebrate my birthday today with the rest privilege. Thank you very much all over the world. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Many more years to you. Many more years to you. Many more years. Many more years. Many more years to you. Amen.
Can you put moto? Can I Japan?
Power dancer! Yes. Power dancer! Allowing himself. The celebration of his birthday, 2026 birthday. Today being 8th of August 2026. Allowing himself. Yes, happy birthday to the Lion himself. Happy birthday to Abido Sheka. Gandisa, Prophet Odumbe Jaja, the great prophet in Igbo land, the great prophet in Africa. That's the Lion himself.
Wonderful day, blessings all over the world. God bless you all that connected and followed you where you are in yourself. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe to us, Magnetic Deah TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.